Trader, the best September we had for the Dow Jones. We had a few pullbacks and we made some money and we sold our diamond calls. We've had the best Dow bull on record for the month of September ever in history. And we have. And you know what? With our new October 1 release to the public is you get a chance to be invested. It doesn't, you don't have money, you don't have credit, that's fine, but you can make a lot of money. And you can pick which ones go up or down. You buy now, and you pay later with the profits when they pay off. You don't owe anything unless they pay. But we reached a high, the best Dow on record for the month of September. There is no more trading days. They got the last out of it. We'll be watching it carefully. We feel that there is downside for October. But once again, September has always been the worst month, and they made a bull market top.